Hi guys, welcome back. We'll try that again. I just hit my head on my door. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today looking grimy AF because I'm not wearing any makeup, but I thought I'd sit down and film a makeup video for you guys. It is June 3rd today, so I thought in honor of Pride Month I'd do something rainbow. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, that would be awesome. I did want to mention my background changed. I set myself up a little makeup studio, so that's exciting. I'm going to start off by cleaning my skin. I'm going to be taking the Garnier micellar water to clean my skin. I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Pixie Skin Treat Skin Prep. I used this in my last video. Except I always get it on my tongue. Like, how does that happen every single time? And also on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Shine Killer. Today I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is in the shade NC15. This is the foundation that I use in my kit. I love it. Go in with a Morphe sponge and start blending that on my face. I just dropped my beauty blender. I fixed my bun and got my beauty blender back. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Conceal. This is in the shade Light. I think this concealer is really great. You can get it at your local drugstore. Obviously, wherever they sell Maybelline. It blends out beautifully. It's pretty good coverage. I mean, I like the coverage. And by the way, this is a Strawberry Raspberry White Chocolate Rockstar. Go get one right now from Blackrock. Oh, muy bien. Now I'm going to set my face using the Coty Airspun powder. This powder is bomb. I apparently missed the trend train when this was like going around and really popular. I just like never had gotten it. And it was at my local Walmart the other day and I was like, I'm gonna try it. And I've been in love with it ever since. I'm definitely setting all the areas we put concealer first. So that bitch don't crease. And then I'll obviously buff it out. And then I'll just go in and lightly put this all over. Because I like a really matte kind of look. Now we're going to set them under eyes. Perfect. You already know we're using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I used this for the first time in my last video and literally have been obsessed with it since. I use it in my freelance makeup kit. I use it every day. I use it in my sleep. I tell all my friends about it. I think about it. I think about its smell. I just go get this. I'm going to use a big Morphe brush. This is a Morphe M400 100 to put some bronzer on my face. I like to be bronzy. And of course, I'm gonna smush my brush a little bit. So on the tip, top it off, and do my nose. Because we use such a big brush for that, which I love doing. I used to not use a big brush, and then I started using one, and does it change the game? I'm gonna bake right underneath. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna bake right underneath that line. Now that my under eyes are probably set, I'm gonna take a Morphe M105 and just dust that bake away. I want something peachy for my blush today, so I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution palette. This has 4 highlighters and 4 blushes, and I'm going to be mixing these two right here. Ooh, she's a rosy bitch. I go in with Champagne Pop or Opal. I think it's a Champagne Pop kind of day. This is like the, oh, look at that, she's gorgeous. I'm going to give it a spritz with my spray. Because we like that pop and highlight. And I'm just going to run my brush in it. It got on my tongue again. Oh my gosh. Oh honey. Alright, and you already know we're brushing this off with the same brush before. Same deal. And because that was a lot, we're gonna spray our face real quick because that was a lot for it. Okay, we good. Alright, I'm back. I did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't want to waste any time, and you guys like know what I do to my brows. So, and if you didn't, I use Anastasia Brow Wiz every time. You guys already know I'm going in with my Morphe 35B. Look at that. This. Got it. This is the best palette in the world. I'm gonna have to wash my brushes after this. That sucks. I'm gonna start out by priming my eyes with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, because we're doing a very cray-cray look, and we want it to be as vibrant as possible. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Alright, so we're gonna do all the colors of the rainbow, so then we're gonna do red, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe M200, and I'm going to start blending out those edges. And I'm going to start packing on the green, blue, and purple on this side real quick. You're gonna blend until you think you're done blending, and then you're gonna blend some more. for the little cut crease, I decided we're gonna do some glitter because why not? And a little bit with the ColourPop. You see that? Look at how messy I am. ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, Ultra Metallic, and the shade Ritz. It's super gorgeous. It just looks like this. I'm going to plop that on a little bit on the crease, and then I'm also going to go in with some NYX glitter. This is going to get pretty serious. I wish I could do my makeup like this every day for work. I'll be like, bitches, guess who's gay? Me. As per usual, I'm going in with my Ardell Wispies. I wear these every time I do makeup. Alright, I just put my lashes on. Added a bit of eyeliner to my upper waterline and bottom waterline. For lips, I'm going to go in with something a little more nude. Ow. Oh, I guess I can take my hair down. I look like one of those like trolls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!